So let me ask you a question. How are you investing today? Now, chances are you're using a capital appreciation approach. And that's how we've all been taught to invest, right? The old buy and hold approach. So with capital appreciation, you buy an asset, like a stock, in the hopes that it will go up in price so you can sell it in the future and live off of the proceeds. You buy something in hopes that it will go up in price. So instead of calling this buy and hold, I believe buy and hope is a more appropriate name. The biggest downside to this approach is that because of inherent randomness and volatility of financial markets, you could be left hoping that you can pay your bills. And no one ever wants to be in that situation. It's true that the market goes up over the long run, but it's also true that all along the way, you will experience precipitous declines in price. In fact, we experience approximately 2 bear markets each decade. And if you have to sell assets to live off of, well, there's a significant possibility that those sales could occur at a loss a large percentage of the time. And this can wreak havoc on the long-term viability of your retirement portfolio. So when you're living off of your portfolio, you can't always wait for the market recovery to sell your assets. Not when you're counting on that money to sustain your lifestyle, to pay your bills and put food on your table. I believe that your financial security is too important to be held hostage to the whims of a volatile market. You can't allow random market movements to determine the quality of your retirement. But when you're using a capital appreciation approach, this risk is unavoidable. So what do? Well, you have to find a new way to answer the question, how do you make money from your investments? And that's where this concept of investing for income comes in. So with a capital appreciation approach, you make money when you sell an asset. But income investing is totally different because when you're an income investor, you make money because you own an asset. So think of it this way. You can be a dairy farmer or a cattleman. The cattleman can sell his cows one time, but the dairy farmer has a continual supply of milk to sell over and over again. At Snider Advisors, our strategy for producing income is the Snider investment method. The Snider method is a long-term strategy that uses a powerful combination of buying stocks, selling options, and cash management techniques to generate portfolio income.